live right now. Dude, those game puts are $2. I'm up $242.
I hate you. God damn, I got shafted. I got fucking shafted.
Why? I don't understand why the price is going up and these puts are probably because they're like, this is gonna come fucking.
Well, my 18.5 ones aren't even close to being moving. They haven't moved once. I just put $1 below yours.
Wild. I cannot believe that happened. It's like, how much are they worth? They're worth. I'm gonna sell. Oh no, I only bought 2. It's like I should just sell.
It's at 157 right now.
I'm just gonna fucking hold it.
I wonder if I should just buy it just cause. It is gonna go up. You're just gonna make more. Damn.
Wow.
Crazy.
I mean, it's all over the place. It's fucking.
Why isn't the one I bought moving?
I guess I don't understand how puts work. Now I'm just watching the price fucking. Oh my god, the GameStop price is just everywhere.
That's gonna come to a halt.
If this. Oh my god, dude. If that ends up being a fucking pump and dump, just because people are like, what are we doing here? Oh my god. NGA, right back up. Oh, what a day. Good one. Okay. Oh, we are live. I'm just over here screaming and fucking. I'm super excited. All right.
I just put 2 puts in for the 19.5 for
Okay.
$1.56.
I am starting the timer, so that's going to be a little ahead of us.
Guy.
I'm starting audio because I keep fucking up and not recording our goddamn podcast.
Oh, silly
/
goose.
YouTube live show.
I'm posting right now.
We're rolling audio. You're posting on that?
Yes, I am. All right, it is live in our Discord.
Live in the Discord. Okay, game put's fallen down to 145.
Oh, why did I do that then?
Because you're a chaser. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Boom. Here we go.
Ba-da-ba-ba-da.
Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on the track to try and rock your socks. Trap stocks, smoking all them dab rocks. DMB got this game in a headlock, so fear not. We are higher than Tesla shocks. Murders on the track to try and rock your socks.
Ooh, welcome to Trap Stocks, everybody. My name is David.
I'm Brian. What's up?
Today is January 13th. We are going live Wednesday because your boy, Brian, going to Hawaii tomorrow.
The island paradise of Hawaii will welcome me tomorrow. Your boy is officially COVID-free. Thank you, Walgreens. Thank you, whoever supplied that test. I have a nice little travel voucher to say so. See you in Hawaii, bitches.
Woo!
My tan line, no tan lines either. Did I tell you I'm going to a nude beach or two while I'm
You
there?
did not tell me
No fucking tan lines. How you doing, baby?
Oh, dude, I am watching just GameStop just keep going up and up and
I love
up.
it. I love it.
Right after we just put in puts. But I want to give a huge shout out to Mad Terp Labs. Again, I know we do it every single day, but we want to show you how great these Terp sticks are. Smoke them. They're awesome. Last week we had Rosenthal. Today we got Purple Punch. Let's go.
By last week, you mean yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah, shout out to our other sponsor, Cheat Code Algo. Davey's got the light right there. Still doesn't have any batteries. Abigail, get my fucking batteries back to me.
Silly goose.
Cheat Code Algo, check them out. They have a Discord. They have an amazing tool for trading the stock market. You guys hear us pump them every time that we're on. We love them. Check them out. Use our link below. You get a discount and we get money.
Yes, we do. So we have a crazy morning to talk about.
And if you're watching right now, before you forget, please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us. We're definitely growing views as we're going live.
Yep.
So, you know, if you're watching and if you don't like and subscribe, do it right now. Please. It's free. I love you.
Ooh, shout out to Twan Marta 2 for the dope ass theme song. All right, so what stock should we get into today? I bet we should start about GameStop. We just invested in it. We just put in some puts.
Okay.
Brian got the steal of the day,
Oh
though.
my God! Talk about a fucking scoop on
bastard.
that one. So we were looking at. Oh, that is the wow.
What?
I'm at the wrong. I was at like the BMV.
GME.
Yeah, I know. I was in like the Bavarian exchange or some shit. That's not. I wanted to be in New York Stock Exchange.
So if you are part of our Discord, Ben definitely shouted out this put that he put in, $19 call for
Yep.
February 1st, 2 contracts.
February 5th.
February 5th.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. The scoop of a century. We were looking at the puts that I found the 19.5 put, and for a second it was worth a penny, right? But like that wasn't real. So I put a limit order in at 72. It caught it and then immediately jumped to. It's at 130 right now. So it
Yeah.
immediately just about doubled. I think it might trickle a little bit, but dude, as soon as this GameStop pump ends, that's gonna print for sure. I mean, it's already printed. Literally, I mean, it doubled the second I bought it.
So I bought 2 different puts. I bought 2 for 19.5, and then I bought 2 for 18.5. Just because I'm a fucking chaser.
Yeah. Oh God, you're such a chaser.
Well, I'm so mad because I literally did it the exact same time you did, and then Brian definitely triggered the option to make the put go up easily.
Yeah, I think
So-
that might be the case.
I know it's the case. So I guess I'm down a little bit of money on those game puts, but it's okay.
I think they'll be fine. Ben was in the Discord. Shout out to Ben for calling out. He's like, I'm a shorter now. I'm like, bitch, you aren't a shorter. You're just betting that it's going down. You gotta, if you want to be a shorter, short some sales. And by the way, anybody that's shorting GameStop right now is insane.
So what about NGA? You wanna bring up NGA?
NGA is looking great.
NGA is Northern Genesis Acquisition Corp. They are an EV SPAC. There's a conference call right now, and there will be another conference call tonight, but on TV.
Well, no, it's on YouTube. I think
on YouTube.
Mad Money's a YouTube show. It used to be. I don't know if it used to be TV. Maybe
I
it's
thought it was
both.
TV.
But it's definitely on YouTube.
CNBC.
as well.
It's definitely CNBC.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the NGA, somebody from the company literally just did an interview, was being interviewed, and then later tonight, I believe the CEO is on Mad Money with Jim Cramer. And like, I don't know, man. Fucking 2 meetings in a day.
That's good.
Especially because this first one, yeah, was there a drop? There's always a drop after the meetings. There's always a fucking drop after the meeting. But it wasn't hugely significant. And then we've got fucking Jim. I'm thinking good news is coming.
Yep. Everything on StockTwits. Kramer pump at 6 p.m. Eastern time.
Yep.
I think so.
That's 4 p.m. So that means Robinhood's out. That sucks.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's gonna fucking soar.
Yeah.
I'm not worried about that at all.
Yeah, I mean, so yesterday Northern Genesis was popping a little bit, and I had a few contracts on it, and I ended up here. We can actually
Let's go through it.
we can show some numbers here. So like quick math, 170, 310, about 380. I bought like $380 worth of calls. There was 8 of them. Yesterday was a bit of a pop. I sold $380 worth of calls, which was 4 of them. I sold half of them at 95 cents to completely cover my entry. And then it popped again while I was in line at Jack in the Box. That was fucking crazy. Like, I just happened to be looking at my phone, caught this pop, didn't even catch it at the high, but still made another 220. And I still have 2 contracts, which are still, this is beyond house money at this point. I've covered and taken profit once, and those 2 contracts are currently sitting at $386.
So NGA is in the buy in both the 1 hour and the 1 minute chart on TradingView for the cheat code algo. It looks good. It is past the profit 4 mark, but it's just not stopping, bro.
What was it again? I'm sorry.
NGA. It looks good. 1 minute and 1 hour both looks fantastic.
Yeah, there is a little bit of a head and shoulders here looking, but I don't know, man. The NGA's got a lot going for it. It's got a lot going for it. I don't know if we've talked about it before, but Amazon has an option to purchase like a 20% stake in the company, and NGA is merging with Lion Electric, and Lion Electric is like, I think they said that they can put out in this meeting today. I think they said out they can put 25,000 cars a year.
Yeah, I believe it was $100,000 vehicle contract by 2025.
Yeah, and they're able to currently produce 25K a year. I think that's what I saw. That's Crazy.
I know. That's what I'm saying. That's why we're bringing it up and talking about it.
Yeah, so Lion, like NGA, which I think is going to switch to Lion after the merger. I'm not quite sure. I think I saw something, but I might be speaking out of turn here. They're in a great position to be the electric fleet provider for Amazon. Like, and that is stupid money. Especially, what if Amazon acquires them? Forget it. You know?
Oh yeah, there's a lot of watchers on StockTwits right now too. That's always a good thing.
Yep.
I got 18,000 watchers.
Dude, if these $30 I mean, if they announce like the merger's going through tonight, it's gonna fly.
Oh my god,
It's gonna fly.
So our options are for the 15th, which is this Friday though.
Yeah.
Do we have any others for the end? Did we put any more yesterday? No, we did not. Do you want to look at more? Do you want to put some more for like the future possibly?
I don't. Let's see. I've got quite a few options expiring this week. Thank God. Solo went on a fucking run yesterday. That was great. Got beaten down today, but that's okay. Purple, man. We're crossing our fingers on purple.
Let's talk about purple for a second.
Okay. What do you want to talk about?
Let's bring up purple.
Which
Can you put up the trading view?
Sure.
Yeah, man. So we are banking on purple just to go up a couple more dollars. This is a great stock, and I don't know why it's going down.
Yeah.
Brian and I watched a video yesterday, and the presentation he was dropping knowledge. He was dropping a bunch of great information, but I think the guy was a dud, and then everybody did not like that, so they fucking shorted the stock.
Yeah. Yeah. The news that I was hearing was like never bad news. You know,
It was good.
He was like, he's disappointed because their sales have grown so much that they sell every mattress that he's like, I don't want to sell every mattress we make. I want a surplus so that people don't have to wait to buy mattresses anymore. Because that's some people at points during quarantine, he was saying, we're having to wait 30 days to have their mattress made. That's how good sales were. And then besides that, they're branching further out into like pillows and seat cushions and shit like that with their purple technology, and people apparently fucking love that. He was just like, sales are really good on the purple pillows, you know, and basically the only like negative that they had about it was that they weren't getting into actual storefronts at a rate like, I'm sorry, that's not true at all. They're in like 900 mattress firms, so they're fucking everywhere. They want to be in more mattress firms, but they can't because they can't keep up with supply until this new factory's online. And then they also, like, brick and mortar sales have been down because of COVID, obviously. So, like, yeah, they didn't do great brick and mortar, which they're trying to, like, really put a higher presence into. But, like, they still did amazing online and sold every fucking mattress they made this year.
Bro, this looks so good. Even look at the fourth profit margin, $40.15.
What are these lines? Are these my lines?
Go to the 1 hour. Yeah, those are your lines. Those aren't mine.
These aren't my lines. I didn't do that.
No, I didn't do that either. I think you did it yesterday.
No, I did not do. I don't know what these dotted lines are.
That's all right. That's the point. But like, it gives you like a rough estimate, like where like the stock lies underneath, and so it just dipped right below, and it's gonna fucking soar. So Brian and I bought in an average down yesterday when it was a penny. I'm very, very glad I did that. Lowered it, and hopefully, I'm hoping for the best. When we wake up tomorrow morning, I am going to be selling this. Yeah, I can't wait for Friday.
You've already see. This is okay. I mean, like, okay.
I just want to get my money back on this one.
Yeah, you do you. I've already seen what my Robinhood account looks like when these things turn worthless. I saw it yesterday. They were worthless yesterday. We woke up today. They're up. You know, and I was like, well, that's unfortunate. Luckily, I'm over here fucking trading like a goddamn gangster and
Yes, you are.
recovering losses on red days. Literally, like, I was like, oh shit. I woke up Friday. I went to sleep. 6K in my account. Great Friday. Okay? Beautiful. We've talked about this before. I was at $1,000 in November, right?
Killing it.
Monday, I wake up 6,500. Baby. Okay? And then like 10-15 hits, I think. 4,800. And all I said is, I'm not selling. And I'm right back. And I still have, and that isn't even this fucking shit that like I took a dip on. Like I'm like, okay. Dude, red days like suck when you have shit in the market. But yesterday has proven what fucking deals you get on red days. How about that FUBU call? It was a red day in the market.
So
the FUBU
nice.
the fucking FUBO call that almost tripled immediately. Like
It did drop down a little bit, so I should have waited just a little bit longer to reinvest.
You should have waited. I mean, it was hot yesterday, and yeah, it's going to go down. But this is still, bro, this is for February. You know, like, there's still 3 weeks on this.
Yeah, so I'm in this hard. I have 3 calls. Brian has 1. You have 1 call?
I just have 1.
I think this is the long haul. I need to get into a sport book stock. I'm so mad that I did not stick with Penn. How did I not stick with Penn? We
Because
knew
you got
about
weak
it.
hands.
Yeah, but like I did not think it was going to go from like $5 to $100 within the year.
Sure. But you think that for...
Yeah, I know. This is wow.
You think about that with Isaiah, which isn't going to happen.
You never know.
No, it's not. It's not
Never
online
know.
gambling. People don't like flock to influencer marketing like they do online gambling.
Yeah,
It's like, imagine if fucking the Robinhood IP, like Robinhood was trading at $5 2 years ago. Like, you can imagine that blowing up because there's a shit ton of money coming into it. Like, influencer marketing, the normal people don't think about that shit. Normal degens think about sports books.
Did you bring up the Fubu account on the Trading View? Mm-hmm. Oh man, that looks so good. Just if you go to the 1 hour chart, oh wow, bro, this looks. You want to talk about the U?
The U.
This looks. I don't know about you guys, but this looks like really good to me. I think there's a lot of room to grow, and then capitalize and take out when you feel like you're comfortable with. I don't. Do you think we'll last like to the 5th with these calls?
I mean, yeah, if I only have 1, so like my trading strategy right now with options is buy 2 under $1, so under $100, average down if need be, and then sell half. I think every single option I've ever had has doubled at one point.
Yep.
Whether I've taken advantage of that or not is a different story. So what I'm saying is like high probability, at least in the options that I'm getting into, that it will be up 100% at one point, and at which case sell half, ride the rest out for profit,
Yep.
right? Because at that point it's like, even if it starts like tumbling fucking hard and you're coming close to expiry date, just take whatever.
Yep.
You're not cutting losses anymore. You're just taking what you can get. Like, that's a completely different thing.
Great idea.
The Fubo one, I fucked up because I thought of that strategy about 10 minutes after I bought my single contract, and now it's up.
Up a little bit.
It's up $120. I don't want to average up that hard. If anything, it might take another dip. If I can pick up another one around $1, I will, for sure.
That's good. That's good. Bro, did you hear about Walmart this morning?
I didn't.
Walmart testing grocery delivery technology with Home Valet Smart Box.
Home Valet Smart
Home
Box?
Valet Smart Box.
What is that?
So pretty much what it is, it's a smart box is a temperature controlled outfitted with a UVC light that says aids in disinfecting.
Okay.
This will take place this spring. And they're going to start in Arkansas and see how well it does. Can we bring up Walmart?
Sure.
I wonder if that news
Is
did
that
anything.
WM?
Actually, I'm not even sure. Walmart.
I think it's WM.
WMT.
Oh, damn. Waste management is WM.
So it's at pushing 148.49 cents right now.
Okay.
Dropped 48 cents today. Yeah, the news really didn't do anything.
Didn't really do anything, but looks like Walmart's doing pretty fucking well.
Look at the 1 year chart.
I'm zoomed out to March 19.
Wow.
Oh,
Yeah, it does look good.
is it an all-time high?
Dude, Amazon's biggest competitor.
Well, it is now. You have Walmart Plus, which is definitely, people are starting to talk about it now. Like the other day I was hanging out with Bill and the boys, and I think Bill brought it. I was like, "Did you know that Walmart like has an Amazon type thing?" I was like, "Oh yeah." Oh yeah.
Oh, man.
I remember when you were like, Walmart signed a deal with Shopify because it sent both of them soaring, didn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, like, if there's anybody that can compete with Amazon in the fine, you want to do fucking everything market, it's Walmart, for sure. They're already halfway in it.
So one of the IPOs that I brought up yesterday, Affirm, AFRM,
Okay.
above the average, they raised $1.2 billion. So AFRM, another EV SPAC, $1.2 billion.
Where...
AFRM.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay.
There. It just... Oh, that is...
It comes up on Robinhood, so it's there. I'm not sure when it's going to drop. It might not just be on
Oh, is
Trading
it
View.
not... It hasn't dropped
It has
yet.
not dropped yet.
Oh, yeah, it's not going to be on Trading
But it's
View.
on Robinhood, so you can take a look at it still.
Okay.
That's pretty much our main platform that we trade on, for stocks at least. Brian has like 5 other crypto ones.
I've got so many crypto wallets. It's stupid.
I have Webull, Robinhood, and Coinbase.
Dude, my Webull account's actually like. Have you looked at it lately?
No.
It's okay. So if you have been listening or watching the show since fucking like March, we were like, we'll throw $500 in Webull and do like a small account challenge. Immediately, fucking lost almost all of it.
Yeah,
hilarious. But the thing is, like, the Atlas Fin thing sucks. It's just like sitting there. Ugh, probably. I mean, you've gone bankrupt on a stock before. I'm just like, I guess I'm gonna lose like $250 or whatever. But fucking IZEA, my average on IZEA is like 180 there, and I got 100 of them. So I'm like, actually, the Webull account, it's not at 500 yet, but like, bro, you want to talk long? I'm very long on IZEA in my Webull account. Like, I am not. Dave's over here like, it's gonna be $150 stock one day. In which case, I'm gonna have 10 grand worth of IZEA. Like,
that's exactly what I have my Sink or Swim app for. I just put I have 100 shares of IZEA. Let it go.
I was unaware of that. Why are you so balls to the wall about your goddamn Robinhood IZEA shares?
Because they're my baby.
This guy.
My only one. It's my only one, Brian.
Dave and I were talking today because like we basically end up getting into the same shit at this point. Our daily graphs look super similar to the point that like Dave's got more he's got like 3 times more money than I have right now, but there are days where we make like the exact same amount of money, which is fucking hysterical because it's like you have another digit in front of your account. And today he's like, bro, I had to cut ACTC. I'm like, why did you have to cut ACTC? I have no buying power. Why don't you have any buying power? I have $10,000 less than you, and I have $1,300 right now to kick around. You need to fucking take profits, dude.
It's the only one. It's the only one I'm not touching. I trade everything else. I just like how I have so many shares at such a low price point.
Okay, fucking sell 500 of them.
What about the dudes that don't sell any Tesla shares?
Okay, good for them. But see, like, bro, what are you just trying to flex with this Robinhood account? Okay,
no, because
then, you need to do things to make yourself money right now. Instead, you could have sold IZEA 4 times at $250 this week. You could still do it right now. Not all of them, dude. Sell 400 of them. That's $1,000. Now you have $1,000 to go buy your precious options addiction. Okay, and then you're gonna make probably at least $1,500 on those options, and then you can rebuy more IZEA shares for the same price when it fucking dips to 2 in a week. Like,
let's see if there's any IZEA news right now.
There is no IZEA news.
How do you know there's no IZEA news?
Because I look every day.
That's fucking awesome.
You got to trade. I mean, like, if you want to let it sit there, let it sit there. But like, if you're scrambling to find buying power, take profit.
No, it's because
need to take profit.
It's because I went because we just got into trading options and I went way too thin.
Hard.
Yeah, it just too thin. And like I just wish I had a higher, more buys per option that I have instead of just buying fucking 20 different options. So I bit my ass on that one, but now I know better. So after this week, I'm going to clean it up because almost all of them expire by the end of the week.
Yeah.
So which is a great sign.
See these Fubo calls, $2 now.
I know. I did jump the gun, but I didn't. But I did wait till it bounced. It just kept bouncing. Ugh.
You know what's driving me crazy is Solo. Like, I was not expecting the Solo dip so hard. I was expecting a little bit of a Solo dip today, but like it broke 9 after a meeting yesterday, which is the first time we've seen a run up immediately after a meeting. It was nice. Like, the meeting for Solo was so good. And then today you wake up and it's like 8:10. It's like, what happened here? Glad I took profit.
Go to the 1 hour on
Solo?
trading. For Solo on TradingView. It has a nice U forming though. Look at that cup.
Yeah, I'm just hoping it doesn't dip, because like I think we were talking about this yesterday. Like, it hit this all-time high here at where it peaked at like 1360. How long did you see that? 1 second, probably. But it does look like the precious U is formed, but hopefully it's not one of those like fake. It's definitely trying to form.
Yes.
You could see it right here. Now this part, how far is if this dips back down to like below
718-ish,
718, even 775,
710, yeah.
I'd be a little concerned.
775.
That's where maybe I'm wrong.
Oh
No, I guess not. I guess better support.
Oh yeah, I guess 787. If it drops below 787, yeah, then it's fucking tumbling down all the way back to fucking 6 something.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah,
7 something.
775 is definitely because like you got to think what people put in their head stop loss wise. Like usually quarters. I feel like after you get over $2-3, people start setting stop losses at like 25, 50, 75. So yeah, you definitely see a stop loss at 9, and then there was probably another huge one at 850. Both triggered today, causing this huge fucking sell off. However,
look at the bottom though. See how it was green for a minute, and then it turned red. But look how low the volume went. So it should be turning green.
See, the thing I'm looking at right here. Let me try to. It's kind of hard to fuck around with trade. So it looks like it's still. Yeah, so the buy signal's in the green, but these candlesticks they're signaling the reversal.
Well, no, it just dropped. I think people took profit real quick, and then they stopped selling. Look at that, because it just went down. And if you look at everything beforehand, nothing's really that consolidated. That like once it goes down, it kind of goes right back to the green. Look at all the previous reds.
Yeah.
Every time it goes down, it goes right back up.
Yeah.
So it looks good. Maybe should we go look at the options for it though? Let's just look at it. We don't have to buy any
options for it. That's the thing. It's like I've got 2 different options for it. I've got solo $8 calls, which are still in the money. I have made money off these. This is another one. Like I think I had 10 total. Yeah, I had 10 total at an average of 30 cents. Yesterday I sold 5 for $330. So made profit. Now I'm currently up 255.
These are pretty cheap. Yeah, so the ones that we bought yesterday, the $9 calls for February 19th, they are down 28% today.
Yeah.
For $1.33. It might not be a bad buy.
No. Yeah, so honestly, like I'm looking at these solo calls right now. None of this is advice, obviously, but this is my thought process: is that okay? There's a nice run to 9 yesterday, and it broke, which was a big deal. And then people got worried, and they set stop losses. So do I think we're seeing a shakeout? Yeah. How far is the shakeout going to go? Not quite sure. I loved these options at around 30 cents. And as you can see, they've still nearly doubled. I think you might see these dip to... The lowest they were at this morning were 45 cents, right? Okay. Yeah, and what was that at? Sorry, this is a lot of... Okay, so Solo found support at $7.95. It bounced. People did not want to see it go below 8.
Nope.
Today will kind of show what kind of people didn't want to see it go below 8. You know what I mean? Like, if we see a consolidation like JagX, then you know that that's like toot money.
You had to bring that up, didn't you?
Yeah.
Bring it up.
Hang on. But I don't know. I think you could, if you're looking for it, you could probably scoop up those solo calls around 40 and hope for a pop. It would be a 2-day swing, you know?
Yeah.
Like, I think by the end of the week, there's a very good chance that we're going to see 10, or we don't. Like, it's like, good chance we see 10, but really, if you don't see 10, it's probably not sticking around at 8. It's going to go down.
Bro, I just found this article about Solo. Came out today with Solo fucking mini vehicles, bro. They're tiny. Look at this. Do you see that little white vehicle?
What is that?
I know. Just came out today. I didn't get to read the article.
Is that the actual vehicle?
I'm not sure, and I'm going to assume so.
That's so funny.
Closer.
Everybody, like, that's the biggest like short thing. People, because the investor conference was the other day. Light that other joint. The investor conference was the other day.
Small cars, small price tag. That's what the article's called. People
were like, "This car looks fucking stupid." That was the short thing. It was just like, sure, it's a cheap car, but it looks dumb. Like, this guy's basically like, they're not cars, they're motorcycles legally.
It's like a small Fiat or Fiat.
It's smaller than a Fiat.
It's like half the size of Fiat.
No, but I'm saying, like, the thing about the Solo vehicles is that legally they are motorcycles. They're not even cars. That's what the dude was saying the other day.
Yeah, 3-wheeled electric vehicles.
Yeah.
Yeah, so a bike. Yeah, I get it.
Wow. I mean, it looks like you could really fucking rip around in one of those. Like, that'd be a lot of fun.
Retail price, $18,500.
A little high for me. I don't have that kind of money.
For like a toy. Yeah, but I guess it's like the same price as like a brand new bike.
Yeah.
Woo! And they're going to be here. They're going to be 6 retail locations. One's going to be Arizona.
I know. That's why I love it.
Oh my God.
Arizona. So Phoenix and Nashville are the two finalist locations for their domestic factory. Because right now they have the factory in China that can supply the world, but they are looking to add a domestic factory, and it's either going to be Nashville or here.
This is amazing.
Yeah. I know, that's why I love Solo. I got long calls on Solo.
Oh, I guess I knew it was EV, but I didn't know it was like this.
Mm-hmm.
This just changed my whole opinion about Solo.
It's dope.
There's no competitors.
No, there's nothing like it.
There's nothing like it.
Nope.
I personally thought it was like they specialize in like charging systems.
No.
Wow.
Yeah. No, the Solo concept is super. Let's see if we can pull it
Everybody look up Solo.
What happened?
What happened? What do you mean what happened?
Sure that your phone. I lost my camera.
Oh no.
Okay, we're back. Okay, yeah, what is going on?
Yeah, Solo, that is so wild. I had no idea.
I will.
That's super cool, guys.
Did you find that on StockTwits?
It was on investorplace.com. Investorplace.com came out today. Just type in tiny car invasion.
Investor. Oh.
That's super cool. All right, so now I know for sure they don't have any competitors. That makes me feel more confident about my fucking options.
What did you? So you said, hang on.
So it is. Should I just send you the link?
Tiny car.
Yeah, tiny car invasion. Investorplace.com. Let's type that in. I could. Ooh. Wow. In March, April, and May, the stock traded around one level.
Yeah, can you send me the link? I have
Yeah,
a
of
hard
course.
time finding this.
Yeah, let me go to. I'm just gonna do it in Discord because that's easier.
Okay.
It's gonna be under the stock option.
Okay.
And here's the joint while I send that.
Thanks, baby.
Yeah, I did not invest into PLTR this morning, but I kind of fucking wish I did. I just sent that to you in the Discord. Man, the Discord's awesome, guys. Everybody is making money here. Making fucking money. I'm pretty sure the last week Brian and I both made like 5K.
No, I did. I think I made $2,000 last week.
Take that back.
Okie dokie. Wow, these pictures are tiny.
I know.
Oh,
Are you
man.
able to like zoom in on it though?
I think so.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Look, this is why we need Ben here.
I know.
Ben, where are you?
Yeah, look at this tiny ass
Wow.
vehicle.
So that's got to be what, 3 feet high? 3.5 feet high,
Yeah, it's waist height.
and then maybe 4. That could be 5 feet in length.
Yeah.
So it's like you're laying down. It's like you're sitting on a couch
Yeah, I mean, like,
in a recliner.
yeah, it's a sit-down motorcycle. That's
Wow.
what that's covered. So it's more protective than a motorcycle, which is probably the most. This is clearly a vehicle for like single people
Yep.
and for dudes that want to fuck around.
Probably for the cities.
Great for cities. That's what I'm talking about. Like, could you imagine this in Phoenix? That'd be awesome. Motorcycles dangerous.
Oh man, people are gonna try to have sex in those things.
I'm a fucking this. I'm a fucking my Solo.
Oh my god.
If I make over 20K trading Solo options, I'll buy a Solo for sure, and then I'm gonna fuck in that Solo for sure. We can have a duo in that Solo.
Oh my god, deal. If we make 20K, if we make 18.5, actually no, probably 20K for taxes and all that shit. Let's do it.
25K for taxes. You got to take out 30%. That's a lot of money.
That's super fun. Cool. Oh, there was one more that I wanted to bring up too. Another EV news. If anybody that knows me, I'm all about fucking EV.
Biden's going to be in office in a week. You should be all about EV and clean energy if you're investing in the next year.
So
without
this
a
one,
doubt.
this one's not like Solo, but it is. It's just very unique. I don't think there's anybody else that's compared to it. Can you type in Go EV? Mm-hmm. So this is an electric vehicle maker, Canoe.
Do you want this on the graph?
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, I've been seeing that pop up today a lot, actually.
So the thing about them, so this is like they only lease their vehicles. You can't buy their vehicles.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is a lease of the EV, but with no definitive lease term and no down payment. Ooh, I'm playing with, it's like fumbling. I don't even know how to say that.
Okay.
So subscription owners of Canoe vehicles do not have to pay registration costs, maintenance costs, or deal with the issues of surrounding residual value.
I love it.
Yep.
I think leasing a car is the way to go, because it's like every 2 years you get a new car, and you don't have to worry about buying and depreciation. It's like, do you even pay a higher fucking premium? They take care of it for you. So if you average that cost into a regular car, I think every investor's like, yeah, you shouldn't buy cars. You should fucking lease them. So I love it. Don't sell your cars.
Nope. So they plan to make 10,000 vehicles in the year 2022. And then by the year 2024, they expect the revenue to be at 1.43 billion. This article that I was reading saying the company itself is worth 58% more than it was when it closed yesterday.
Yeah, for sure. You can see that right here. So it must have opened recently, right before Christmas Eve. Terrible fucking time to IPO, if I'm going to be real with you. It got shorted. It sold off / shorted to fuck. Found bottom at 12.10, and is definitely, people are like, this is worth what it was at. But you got to make money both ways. I get it.
Yeah, so I just found this one today. So I hope you guys enjoy. Do your due diligence. Look at that because it's cheap and could be a good play.
I like it.
Do you have any crypto news for us, bro?
I don't. I'm sorry. I haven't been. I've been nose to. I shouldn't be the crypto guy. I'm telling you, Ben is a much better crypto guy than me. But I have been nose to the stock market. I have been pouring through shit.
Bro, we're option people now.
Yeah, dude. So, okay, the thing I like about options is that, I scooped one today with GameStop. You know, you're upset about, but options is it's almost like doing your DD on a stock. But if you dig deep enough, you're gonna find something that looks really fucking good. It's that's the best part about options because stocks, you pay the stock price. Options, you're looking out and you're
sucks.
Okay, honestly, I'm looking at the trend on this, and I think, in a month it's gonna go up. What do I think it's gonna be? I bought that GameStop call. Do I think GameStop's gonna be $18 in fucking February? No.
Well,
but I got such a screaming deal on that if by some fucking chance it does hit $18, dude, that is gonna be a very expensive put payout or very high gain on it. And I got time to sit on it.
All right, so my laptop died. So I'm going to go on my phone on Robinhood right now.
That's hilarious.
Do you have anything any shout outs for anybody?
Dude, I want to give a shout out to everybody that regularly listens to the show and an apology if you're listening to the podcast. I just keep forgetting it. But we haven't given homie shout outs in a while.
No.
Thanks to Bones. Thanks to fucking Billy. To Craig. To Tim. To DJ. To Dan. You're all you're in the fucking Discord or you're listening. I appreciate all of you guys.
Yeah, most of them are very active in our Discord.
Yeah.
If you want to be a part of it, click the link below or send us a message. It's fucking worth it. We're making money. We're just some stoners just trying to help everybody out. Please subscribe, comment, whatever you want. Please tell everybody about us. I'm good. God, man. Brian's going to be going to Hawaii tomorrow. So we will see you guys next either Wednesday or Thursday.
I think, yeah.
Or
I think we could probably do Wednesday, Thursday.
Or Thursday,
week.
Friday. It doesn't matter.
Or Thursday, Friday.
But we'll still have 2 episodes next week.
2 episodes next week.
Woo! All right. We'll